Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is a 73 Pontiac Firebird. So personally I love Pontiac so much. Even back in the days, I'm talking about when I was in college, right after that. So I do love, this classic cars, specifically the muscle cars. So okay, this is by Hotwheels and I bought this for 179, which is the MRP. Again, a lot of some people actually asked me what is the MRP of a specific car. Those are actually main lines. So I don't know which video it is. I saw a couple of people asking me in Instagram. Some people actually commented. So let me tell you something, guys. If you are buying this recent ones, this is the time this video is getting released. I am recording this video on September 2025. So if you are buying during September till September 2025, or from somewhere around 2024, the MRP is 179. And if you bought it before that, I'm talking about 2023, then it is 149. If you bought it even before that, like during, see, Hot Wheels were banned around 2018 if I'm not wrong. So if you bought something before that, when officially Hot Wheels are available in India, so that was around 120 rupees. I bought somewhere around 2017 and 2016. So even before that it was around 99 rupees, and then before that 80 rupees. That's what I remember so far. So some people actually told me, Hot Wheels costed around 60 rupees also. So I'm pretty sure that was around 90s. So I never got a chance to buy anything at that point of time. So I did buy some Hot Wheels, I think for 120. That's what I was talking about, during that 2017, 2016, around that particular time. I even showed that during my showcase part 1. Okay, so here is the card art. The card art looks really beautiful. Again, my only wish is, they actually showed the full car, the entire car, instead of cutting the rear out. Okay, so let's throw this away. Okay, here is the casting itself. So the casting looks solid and it actually looks really good. So it does have a little bit paint bubbling here. Again, yours might not have this, so don't worry about it. So the Firebird here, it looks really nice. It has blue flames here. Okay, so it doesn't have any headlight detailing here, but it does have the grill details inside, which is really nice. So the grill details are in plastic and it is embossed on, and you can see the Trans Am lettering here. It is actually a bit better. It is not really totally messed up. And let me just try to focus. Okay, so it doesn't have tail light details either, which is a bummer, to be honest. And okay, it has door handle details here. I personally love the theme they went with here, like just pure white along with this blue flaming bird and blue tinted windshields. That is really great. It does have interior detail to it, which is really nice. I hope you guys can see it. That looks really great. And okay, the body is fully metal, chassis is fully plastic. The chassis has a little bit of detailing to it, which is really nice. And the rims are not really special, but it's okay. It actually suits this casting, so it's good. Okay, apart from that, okay, let's weigh this casting now. It feels a bit heavy for the size, so maybe 35 grams. Let's see. Something is not right. Okay, it is. Okay, 29 grams. Not bad. Okay, let's do a roll test now. Wow, that actually rolls really well. The rear wheel wobbles a little bit. Let's try again. It's negligible since it's rolling really well. You can actually see the wheel wobble while it is rolling, but again, since it actually rolls good, so there's no issue with it. Okay, let's rate this casting now. So overall the casting is really a good one, but they are missing out both details, both headlight and tail light details. So I'm taking 1 for that. So even the sides, see, just putting Trans Am or Hot Wheels, I'm not considering that as a detail, to be honest. So at least give some kind of livery which covers the whole side. If you are going to, leave this headlight and tail light details out. So I'm taking 1 out of 10, so 9 out of 10. But personally, if you are a muscle car fan like me, and if you specifically love this Firebird, go ahead and get it. This is so awesome. But apart from the headlight and tail light detail, rest everything is cool. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.